Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photoshop and immediately creating or importing your image so you can work non-destructively. Choose a workspace like photography to surface the panels you'll need, then set document resolution, 300 dpi for print, 72 for screen, so results match the final medium. Make a background copy and name layers to organize edits. Once done, enable rulers and snapping for precise alignment. This gets you into an editable file quickly and prevents accidental changes to the original. Next, focus on the detailed work. Make precise selections with Quick Select or the pen tool, then refine edges to preserve hair and soft transitions. Apply adjustment layers like curves and hue/saturation so you can tweak tones without destroying pixels. Masks let you hide or reveal adjustments selectively. Convert layers to smart objects before running filters so you can edit settings later, and experiment with blend modes and opacity to integrate elements naturally. Make frequent, small changes. To finish, apply final non-destructive sharpening with Smart Sharpen on a duplicated merged layer, then export using Export as to choose format, size, and metadata. Save a layered PSD for future edits and use Save As to create client-ready JPEG or TIFF copies with the correct quality settings. Make sure to embed or convert to the target color profile so colors remain consistent. If you see unexpected color shifts, check color profile conversion and proof setup. This single troubleshooting check fixes most output surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.